Okay, this is a Cincinnati Milacron display for Davalier injection molding. Turn on the power. You can see that it boots through the BIOS and setup. Does all the checks. Runs through all the initializations. Looks for the network interface. Of course, it's not plugged into a network, so it's not going to see it. Initializes the floppy. There isn't one. And now it's waiting for the file server. And it will continue to wait for the file server until there's one plugged in. It appears that the unit is working properly. The contrast is adjustable. The backlight is working right. There is some scarring on the LCD, but it's not bad enough to replace the LCD. So looks good. It's running. Should be good.